E3, the outdoor pipe temperature sensor test failed. E7, the outdoor environment temperature sensor test fault. E8, the compressor discharge temperature sensor test fault. EY, the outdoor liquid pipe temperature sensor test failed. For the above sensor test failures, the checking procedure is the same, and the only difference is the resistance value. The resistance of the pipe temperature sensor, environmental sensor or liquid pipe sensor is 5 k ohm/25 degrees Celsius, only the compressor exhaust temperature sensor is 20 k ohm/25 degrees Celsius. First, check the connection of the pipe sensor to outdoor PCB. Is it well connected? Second, check the temperature sensor resistance, whether short circuit or open circuit. If yes, replace a new one. After above inspection, if still sensor test fault, please replace the outdoor control board. E9 means that the compressor driving circuit abnormal, especially from the compressor IPM protection. When compressor IPM has 6 times abnormal protection continuously, it will show E9 failure code. Is the IPM too hot, which leads it over temperature protection? If yes, the display will show P0 or F7 code. When the unit has 6 times over temperature protection continuously, it will show E9 failure code. Why IPM too hot? Please check that. Is the outdoor unit not enough space for ventilation? Outdoor PCB heatsink too dirty? Or outdoor PCB defect? Is the AC current too high to lead the unit over current protection? If yes, it will show P2 code first. When the unit has 6 times over current protection continuously, it will show E9 finally. Why P2 protection? Please check, is the power supply abnormal? The outdoor unit environment too dirty? Not enough space for ventilation? Or outdoor PCB defective? Is the PFC over current protection? If yes, it will show F5 code first. When unit has 6 times PFC over current protection continuously, it will show E9 finally. If the compressor phase current test circuit has problem, it will show FA code first, then E9 code. If the compressor lack of phase current, it will show F6 first, then E9 code. Use a multimeter to check the PCB IPM output, U, V, W. If no DC voltage, replace a new PCB. If U, V, W output voltage normal, inspect the connection of PCB IPM output to compressor, whether it well connected. EF means the outdoor DC fan motor operation abnormal. Check the connection of fan motor to outdoor PCB. Is the connection reliable? Can the fan blade rotate by hand? If not, repair it. Test U, V, W winding resistance with a multimeter. The 3-winding RUV, RVW, RWU resistance should be approximately 26 ohm. If less or more than 26 ohm too much, please replace a new fan motor. Is the fan motor IPM or any concerned component broken? If yes, replace a new control board. P0, the outdoor IPM module protection code. IPM module has overcurrent or overheat protection. When overcurrent or overheat happened, IPM will output fault signal to the controller to turn off AC unit and show P0 code. Turn off the unit and turn it on again. If P0 disappear, this means a normal protection, no need to worry about it. If P0 is still present, the compressor operation needs to be checked. The compressor could not start, and the unit displayed P0 immediately. Check the IPM output voltage of U, V, and W, with a multimeter, which is generally about DC 5200 volts. If U, V, W output without voltage, the outdoor control board needs to be replaced. If U, V, W have voltage output, but the compressor is still not working, please check the connection IPM U, V, W output to compressor first. If no problem with the connection, then replace the compressor. The compressor can be started, and the unit runs for some time before displaying P0 protection. Check whether the U, V, and W wiring of the compressor is false connected. If so, reconnect it. Outdoor fan motor not working or low speed? If it is, it will lead to overload protection of the outdoor unit. Is the refrigeration system abnormal, such as too much gas charging, capillary blocked, condenser too dirty, or compressor operation anomaly, etc.? Is the outdoor PCB defective? Try a new control board. When the input AC power supply is less than 150 volts or more than 260 volts, or the outdoor PCB DC busbar voltage less than 150 volts or more than 420 volts, the P1 code will be displayed. First, check the power supply voltage. Is it match the unit specification? If not, it's the normal protection. Test the busbar voltage. Is it between DC 150 to 420 volts? If not, normal protection. If there is no problem with the input power supply and DC busbar voltage, it is likely that the defect is from the PCB voltage sampling circuit. Please replace a new PCB. When the outdoor PCB tests that there is no current in any phase of U, V, W output to the compressor, or the order of U, V, W is not correct, F6 code will be displayed, which is called compressor phase out or anti-phase protection. First, make sure the wiring from IPM, U, V, W output to compressor in good quality. Then ensure that the connection from the U, V, W outputs of the IPM to the compressor is reliable. After step 1 and step 2, if it still shows F6 code, the fault may come from the phase current test circuit of PCB. Try to replace a new control board. After the above inspection, the failure is still the same, replace the compressor. While the high-pressure switch disconnection is detected for 3 consecutive seconds, it will trigger high-pressure protection. The outdoor unit stops working and shows H1 failure code. In the fault recoverable state, if the pressure switch is detected to be closed for 3 seconds and the compressor stops for 3 minutes, the unit is allowed to resume operation. If there are 3 times of high-pressure protection, the unit cannot resume operation. The fault is sent and displayed continuously. Check the pressure switch connection. Is it well connected to outdoor PCB? Use a wire to short connect the high-pressure switch connector on the PCB. Can the unit work normal? If not, replace a new PCB. Is the condenser or evaporator too dirty? If yes, clean it. Does the indoor and outdoor fan motor work normal? If it works abnormal, it will lead the high-pressure protection. Test the outdoor unit low pressure. Is the unit gas overcharging? If there is no problem with the above inspection, replace the high-pressure switch. While the low-pressure switch disconnection is detected for 30 consecutive seconds, it will trigger low-pressure protection. The outdoor unit stops working and shows H2 failure code. In the fault recoverable state, if the pressure switch is detected to be closed for 3 seconds and the compressor stops for 3 minutes, the unit is allowed to resume operation. If there are 3 times of low-pressure protection, the unit cannot resume operation. The fault is sent and displayed continuously. Check the pressure switch connection. Is it well connected to outdoor PCB? Use a wire to short connect the low-pressure switch connector on the PCB. Can the unit work normal? If not, replace a new PCB. Test the outdoor unit low pressure. Is the unit lack of gas? If there is no problem with the above inspection, replace the low pressure switch. While the high-pressure sensor detected short or open circuit for 30 consecutive seconds, the outdoor unit stops working and shows H3 failure code. The sensor working pressure range, 0 to 4.6 MPa. Check the pressure sensor connection. Is it well connected to outdoor PCB? Use a 5.1 k resistance between VCC and Vout. Can the unit work normal? If not, replace a new PCB. When the unit works normally with the 5.1 k resistance, the problem is sure from the pressure sensor. Replace a new one.